So as you know, it's been crazy cold in the DC area, and believe it or not, it's actually improving temperature-wise. We are above freezing today, and you know what that means. Love those startups. Yeah, it's still freezing cold, but that's not gonna stop me from trying to get the car clean. Weather's supposed to improve, but I have to go to work, so I will not be able to wash the car tomorrow or the day after when they're both above 40-degree temperatures, which should be ideal this time of year. So I'm gonna try and do what I can today. I'm not gonna bring out the 2 buckets or the wash mitt. It's scheduled to rain tonight. That's the other reason why I'm not doing a full-blown out wash. It's just all that salt has been on the bottom of my car, on the car, for 10 days straight. It's been below freezing forever. So any type of cleaning I can do today while I have the time, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So right now, if you're wondering why am I driving, I wanna get some parts of the car that I can warm, such as, you know, underneath the car, the exhaust, the engine bay, to get the hood a little warm, any components I can get warm, because it is still pretty cold. Anything to minimize any chance of freezing is a good thing. We're back. I just rinsed down the car, really gave a good squirt of the undercarriage, as you guys saw on the GoPro. I could have spent all day under that undercarriage. I just wanted to really wash it down really good. So a shout out to my friends up in Minnesota who recommended that to keep getting that undercarriage all winter long. And I hit the wheels with wheel cleaner from Adams and the wheel wells with all-purpose cleaner from Adams. I'm about to go ahead and soak the car down, not for a wash, just to break down whatever's left on the surface of the paint. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but it's better than not doing it in my opinion. So let's get to it. So as you can see, this was not a full wash. It wasn't intended to be because, one, it's gonna rain tonight. In fact, it's starting to sprinkle. And number two, I might try to give it a better wash in a couple of days, one morning before work. I don't know yet, depends on the temperatures. And again, in about 2 or 3 days or less, it's supposed to rain some more. And until that happens, you know, there's still going to be plenty of salt and crap all over the road. So this was really just a chance to really take off as much of the salt and grime and dirt, everything that's stuck to the surface of the car and under the car, the undercarriage. I could have spent all day under the undercarriage, but I'm just gonna hit the undercarriage every time I wash the car moving forward. So hope you enjoy this video. I'm sure those who are in my area are dying to wash their cars but can't yet. Hopefully this was a little bit of visual therapy, because for me it was mental therapy. It was definitely therapy, getting the car cleaned. 10 days of not washing the car and with filth. It was just gross. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.